friends, my name is Edward. Today we're going to learn 9 times table using a trick. First we will write 0 to 9 from top to bottom. Then we will write 0 to 9 bottom to top to form the numbers. Now let us write. Now our 9 times table is ready. 9 times 1 is 9, 9 times 2 is 18, 9 times 3 is 27, 9 times 4 is 36, 9 times 5 is 45, 9 times 6 is 54, 9 times 7 is 63, 9 times 8 is 72, 9 times 9 is 81, 9 times 10 is 90. How's this video? Hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching. See you with another video.